Sometimes a lead doesn't know exactly what they're looking for and instead wants options. An inventory showcase allows you to show off the variety and the size of your inventory. Let them know that you're certain you can find the right car together.
Hi Ryan, Dustin here with Covideo Chevrolet. Thank you so much for reaching out to us, letting us know that you're looking for a new work truck. We have a lot of pickup options on the lot, new, used. I'm over by our used section right now because we have a lot of great options for you. So I thought I'd shoot over a quick video and let you know what we have. So I'm in our pre-owned section right now. Wanted to give you a chance to see what we have available for options here. We do have a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty on all of our used vehicles right now. Perhaps we'd be able to hone in on the perfect vehicle for you with a quick call. Otherwise, feel welcome to just come in and visit me here at the dealership. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful.
And just like that, your lead has a better idea of what you can offer them, increasing their likelihood to stop by your dealership.